Hi, on day 6 of the lockdown, I'm going to look at Joe Soma and we can see what results we get from him. Joey has 247 records since the beginning of 2019 and he has won 16 of them, so 16 out of 245. The best result of all was by Goodman Findili, and he has only had one run and he won at 5-1, being back down to 8-1 on a maiden plate. Anton Marcus has the second one. He's got one win out of 3, which is at 10-1, back down from 13-1. But the best jockeys of all are Gavin Lorena, Anton Marcus, Bernard Herb, and Devon Habib. Now they've won 5 races between them, and from a total, let's see what their total is, from a total of 17. So there's 17 rides between them, and they've had 5 winners. That's excellent. So what I do now is I make a note of those jockeys by highlighting them on my page, so that when I next see Joe Soma and he's got one of those 4 jockeys on, then I know that my chances of success with those jockeys are increased. Now this is the way you can do it for looking at any particular trainer. I've done this quite quickly, but this is how you can do it. Go ahead and just keep a note of Joe Soma just for those jockeys. You can go much deeper into it, but I'm just doing it on day 6 of the lockdown.